How to address dehydration with first aid equipment. Have you ever felt dizzy or fatigued while enjoying a festival? It could be dehydration, a common issue in such lively environments. Let's talk about how to tackle this with the right first aid equipment. Dehydration happens when your body loses more fluids than it takes in. At festivals, heat, physical activity, and alcohol can make this happen quickly. Recognizing the signs is the first step. Look for symptoms like dry mouth, excessive thirst, dizziness, headache, fatigue, and reduced urine output. In severe cases, confusion or fainting may occur. Once you spot these signs, it is time to act. The main treatment is to replenish lost fluids. Use clean water from your first aid supplies or nearby water stations. Encourage the person to take small, frequent sips instead of gulping down large amounts. This helps avoid nausea. If you have oral rehydration solutions or electrolyte drinks in your first aid kit, use those. They are great for replacing salts and minerals lost through sweating. Next, help the person rest and cool down. Find a shaded area or a cool spot to sit or lie down. This will reduce further fluid loss and help prevent heat-related issues. If you have oral rehydration salts in your first aid kit, now is the time to use them. These sachets contain a mix of salts and glucose that help the body absorb fluids quickly. Just dissolve the sachet in clean water according to the instructions and give it in small amounts regularly. Keep an eye on the person's condition. If symptoms worsen, like confusion, rapid heartbeat, or inability to keep fluids down, it is important to seek professional medical help right away. In some festival settings, medical tents may offer intravenous hydration. This method delivers fluids and electrolytes directly into the bloodstream, which is useful for severe dehydration. However, this requires trained medical personnel and sterile equipment. To prevent dehydration before it starts, always carry a reusable water bottle and refill it often. Try to limit alcohol and sugary drinks, as they can increase the risk of dehydration. Use shaded areas to cool off and wear lightweight, breathable clothing to minimize sweating. Familiarize yourself with the locations of first aid stations and medical tents at the festival. Addressing dehydration at festivals involves recognizing the signs early, replacing fluids with water or oral rehydration solutions from your first aid supplies, resting in a cool area, and seeking medical help if needed. Being prepared and aware can help keep everyone safe and comfortable during festival fun.